Okay, I'll tell you who we've got. A guy called Jeff Sica. He is back. And my first subject that I want to raise... Well, look at the Dow is up 320, Nasdaq up 220. That's a rally. I want to start with Amazon, because it's obviously trading at a vastly lower price today following the 20-for-1 split, 127, and it's up 4%. That's a big gain. You buying it?
No, and I think a lot of times people...
Just come right out with it, Jeff. No.
You know what? The fact is when a stock splits, people have to realize you're not really getting anything... You're not getting anything different.
Yeah, but it makes it more accessible.
It makes it accessible, and there is a chance that it might go into the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is big for Amazon. And it also, you also have the potential of it doing what it did the last time it split, which it split 4 times pre-2000 and went up 45% in the months after the split.
But you're not buying it.
I'm not buying it, and the reason I'm not buying it is that Amazon has some deeply embedded problems.
Like what?
And one of the main problems they have, they're sticking with their business model, which makes sense, which is to deliver at the lowest price. Their shipping containers are now double what they were, cost double what they were. You also have a lot of excess capacity. A couple weeks ago, they disclosed that they have excess capacity in their warehouses, which means products are not moving as fast as they are. With fuel costs in the stratosphere, they just can't make the margins. Their free cash flow, the money they're spending to make money, is in the negative. So they have a lot to worry about at this point.
And you're not buying them. Okay, I got that one. Elon Musk, he's threatening to call off his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter. He says they're hiding data about fake user accounts. You've never liked Twitter. You've called it a garbage company.
No, of course they're hiring. They're a garbage company. They're an awful acquisition. I'm all for this free speech. I'm all for it. I think that's a great fight, and I'm behind them. But this company has mostly a lot of robots and fake accounts. All he wants to do is look under the hood, and they don't want him to do that because they've been hiding this for a very long time. So I think if he doesn't get what he wants, he should drive that stock down more and buy it at a discount, at a bargain basement discount. That's my opinion.
Getting real drama out of you today. I mean, you're not buying Amazon.
It's the new studio and Pete's birthday.
Right. Yes,
and he had Mountain Dew earlier.
Yes,
look at that shot
in my office.
See, isn't that a beautiful studio?
It is.
Thank you very much, Fox. That is gorgeous. Just for you guys.
Yes.
Right.